The recently released Vivo iQOO Z10x or the Vivo T4x. Let's have a quick look at the drop test. Is the military standard A10H certified design built to survive hard real-life drop impacts in day-to-day life? Let's find out first with two pocket low drops on the backside and the display side. Survival rates for pocket drops has been exceptionally high in recent times and is normally a piece of cake for any device we have drop tested so far. In keeping with recent trends on the channel, the Vivo T4x or iQOO Z10x does pretty well on both low drops. Next, the two danger high drops, which makes us more nervous. First drop on the backside camera unit. Now for the main event of the evening you have been waiting for. High drop on a 204 grams heavy IPS display side. No visible signs of structural cracks, glass shatter or internal damage. It's a huge relief that the design of the Z10x or T4x can handle strong drop impacts. Even though both the Vivo T4x 5G and the Vivo iQOO Z10x 5G are exactly the same device with different names for some unknown reason, the Vivo T4x is priced at a slightly higher rate compared to the Z10x. Also, another exciting fact is that the Z10x is ranked number 1 at its price point on the Amazon bestseller list for smartphones, and just a few days back was number 1 compared to any other smartphone. But what about the build? The actual build quality of the device will be tested. The Z10x or T4x is a bit on the heavier side at 204 grams. But that isn't an issue if you're already used to 200 gram devices. Feels absolutely solid during the usual trial bend. We will know the real truth later. A simple yet effective transparent case inside the box which doesn't cover the design. Also great to see a free 44 watt flash charger to power up the massive 6500 mAh battery, the biggest in this segment. The front selfie camera has a 7.99 megapixel CMOS sensor at f2.05, 2.07 megapixel Full HD video at 30 fps. The main camera contains a 50.18 megapixel CMOS sensor type at f1.8, 8.29 megapixel 4K video at 30 fps with just GIS, and a secondary 2 megapixel depth sensing camera at f2.4. As our regulars know, Vivo and mostly every BBK device on the channel have a few bad habits, like the exclusion of oleophobic coating, which we will confirm in the water test video, and the bad habit of unnamed glasses failing a scratch test consistently due to poor quality tempered glass production, unlike the best quality ones of Corning. We can't even hope for the best simply because of the bad history. not quite visible due to camera focus issues. But once it comes into focus, things become much clearer. Very evidently, the military standard A10H doesn't make any difference since unnamed tempered glass protection fails. Next, on to fun stuff with value, the bend test, the actual test of build quality to precisely gauge the structural strength of the devices. Is the A10H certificate of any value at all? A little more than a bit of flex from the first display side bend, though it did feel more stronger and less flexible than it looks. Again, about the same flex angle, this time with a slight cracking sound. The force is mostly concentrated towards the top end from the back bend, though no damages of any kind as of now. The moderate bend angle keeps happening with an even louder cracking sound from the back bend. But the design in fact isn't weak enough, luckily, to take any kind of structural damage.